Hey guys, how's it going? How to sign up for a free ChatGPT access. So first of all, download the app or go to the website of ChatGPT to have access to the AI generator. And you can go ahead right here to ChatGPT, and what you're gonna do, you can continue logging with Apple, Google, or manually with an email. So I'm gonna continue with Apple, and I'm gonna confirm via facial recognition. And after you sign up with your account, of course, they're gonna ask you to verify your email, right? Check your inbox for confirmation email. If you didn't face that step, or if you didn't come across that step, you're gonna be able to log in smoothly, right? And basically log in and start chatting, right? You can go ahead and start chatting with ChatGPT and begin using ChatGPT for free. So enjoy exploring. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.